Hey guys, Aaron again. Welcome back to the channel. I want to bring you another tool of the week today. This time it is to help you get your hands dirty when you are changing brake pads on your car. All right, this is the tool. This is actually how it came from Amazon. Fantastic packaging, but hey, it's solid and it survived and it's gonna work. So if you've ever changed brake pads, this is gonna make a lot of sense to you. If you haven't, just trust me and get one of these things. So this is the tool that I really needed when I changed the pads on my M4 with the Stop Tech calipers and brake setup, because the pads are easy to slide out, but then the pistons have to get pressed in. So what this tool does is it works kind of like a caulk gun. When you squeeze the handle, these things spread apart. So what you do is after you get the pads out, you slide this in over the rotor and you squeeze, and it makes contact with the pistons and presses them right back into your calipers. So this thing really makes the job a whole lot easier. Instead, what I had to do was use some hacky things. I tried pressing with my fingers for a while because some people said you could compress them like that, but they really weren't moving much. Or you can stick other things in there and try to get some leverage, but nothing is as easy or as safe on your pistons as something like this. So if you're working on a car like my wife's X4 M40i and you have to remove the entire caliper, then a tool like this one will work really well, where that rotor is not in the way. You can just stick it inside the entire caliper, crank it, and it will compress the pistons for you. But my new tool here works in either scenario. It can work with or without a rotor being in the way. And that's gonna save me a lot of time and headache next time I do the pad. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. See lots of other Tool of the Week episodes. There is a link in the description as well for all of those past episodes and a little handy playlist that you can check out. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next week on Help Me DIY.